چترال انفارمیشن اینڈ ہیلپنگ گروپ کے زیر اہتمام پشاور پریس کلب میں خدمت خلق کانفرنس سے یو کے سے ممتاز سماجی شخصیت جناب ضیاء سالک جو کہ چترال انفارمیشن اینڈ ہیلپنگ گروپ کے اہم ترین بانی ممبر ہیں اپنے خیالات کا اظہار کر رہی ہیں.
And that is something that I think today at this conference has been reiterated and has been reconfirmed as the mission of this forum, and I hope that that continues. Of course, I think we also have to be honest with ourselves as a forum run on a voluntary basis, and my gratitude and respect to Muhammad Ali Mujahid Sahab, who's led this from the front. We have to also acknowledge that these groups that are run on a voluntary basis at times will suffer from burnout. It's not the most sustainable way of operating, so I congratulate everybody who's organized today to reaffirm the commitment to the work that is being done. As somebody who works within the humanitarian sector, works for an international NGO, I know that we have a lot of structures and processes which allow us to have accountability and transparency and also operate with efficiency. But there's also something quite beautiful about the forum in which we work for the people of Chitral, and that is based on individual cases that most NGOs and all needs, and individual cases that have been presented to the forum have been presented purely on the basis of need. There has been no mention of their political affiliation or their religious identity. In fact, for myself, I